Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you an incident about Lord Buddha in which he explains the importance of patience. And the incident itself is a beautiful example of it. Once upon a time, Lord Buddha, along with some monks, was going to a village for preaching. While going towards village on the way, they saw some small pits. One of the monks asked Lord Buddha, "Why so many pits were dug here on the way?" Lord Buddha replied with a smile that a person was searching for water here, and when he did not find water at one place, he dug the pit at another place, then third place, fourth place. And when he got tired of digging the pits, and in spite of working so much hard, when he did not get water, he gave up and went away from there. If he had put all his effort at one place and dug the pit, he might have got the water. That's why it is said that we must have patience while working, while doing something. Because no one knows when we are about to reach our goal and we give up, being so close to our goal. We all have heard about the importance of hard work, that hard work is the key to success. But hidden in all that hard work, there is a lot of patience that contributes to that success. When we are close to our goal and we lose our patience after working so much hard, then all that hard work goes in vain. So, patience is a quality that backs up our other qualities in life and refines them. And patience also saves us from all the overthinking and help us move forward in life without any stress. So always remember to gather every piece of patience you have and put that at every step in your life. Let's understand this story in Hindi. एक समय की बात है, भगवान बुद्ध कुछ संतों के साथ एक गांव में कथा कहने के लिए जा रहे थे। रास्ते में जाते टाइम उन्हें कुछ छोटे छोटे गड्ढे दिखाई दिए। उन संतों में से एक संत ने भगवान बुद्ध से पूछा कि रास्ते में इतने सारे गड्ढे होने का क्या कारण हो सकता है। भगवान बुद्ध ने मुस्कुराते हुए जवाब दिया, कोई व्यक्ति यहाँ पर पानी की तलाश कर रहा था। जब उसने एक जगह गड्ढा खोदा और पानी नहीं मिला तो उसने दूसरी जगह गड्ढा खोदा, फिर तीसरी जगह, फिर चौथी जगह। और जब वह गड्ढे खोदते खोदते थक गया और इतनी मेहनत करने के बावजूद भी उसे पानी नहीं मिला तो वह हार कर वहाँ से चला गया छोड़कर। अगर उसने जगह जगह गड्ढे खोदने की बजाय एक ही जगह पे अपनी सारी शक्ति लगाकर गड्ढा खोदा होता तो उसे पानी मिल गया होता। इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि हमें कोई काम करते समय पेशेंस रखना चाहिए। क्या पता हम मंजिल के करीब हों और बिल्कुल मंजिल के करीब पहुंचकर हम हार मान लें।